Hey guys, I figured I'd give you a quick look at the progress. It's got a lick of paint on it. It's pretty much ready to put together. I put the spokes, relaced it yesterday. They're still loose. Once I get on the bike, then I'll true it up best I can. I just basically wanted to show you how cleaned up it really is. Look at the magnets are all nice and shiny. All the rust and goop is all off. Painted inside note. Doesn't get much better than that. I mean, when you think about it, guys, seriously. By the time I end up getting another motor, I'm paying what, 400 bucks? Probably about that much. By the time I get hit with tariffs from Trump, and by the time I get it here, I ended up paying about what, $400 for a motor that, I mean, all I had to do was replace the bearings and paint this. So I'm basically buying a new motor. I'm basically buying a new paint job and new bearings for 400 bucks. There's still lots of life left in these spokes, this rim, this motor. Like, I mean, you know, I was just too lazy to repair it. But yeah, it's gonna work. I just lubed up the nipples because they are a little bit seized. But she is going to look pretty good, and I guarantee it's going to run pretty good as well. I'm just going to finish putting it together, and then we'll, I guess on this video here, I'll include a test video of it spinning up to be sure it works. Well, that's the short and sweet of it. It's ready to go. I actually had to pull it apart and replace the bearings on the one side again. For whatever reason, I could not get the axle through the old one, so I had to do it again. But now it's nice and smooth. It's ready to go. It's almost brand new. Hopefully it works good with the new torque arms. So I'll post an update of once it's trued up and installed and wired up. We'll do a spin up, make sure everything is kosher. But that's it for redoing an old hub motor. New bearings and a new paint job, and she looks like the day that I bought it. It looks as good as the day I bought it. And hopefully it runs as good as well. We'll see. Later, guys.